Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can change language on Duolingo. It's a very simple thing to do. What you have to do, first open Duolingo app. Then you will see the home page. From here what you can do, tap on the um, icon of the top left corner. Then here you will see my preferred language is Arabic to learn. Then if you want to change this, just tap on the plus icon from new course. Then you can set your language. From here you can choose what you want to learn. Then if you want to change for if you want to change it in English, then what you have to do, select course again. Now I'm a Bengali person, so here you can select your preferred language and which you want to learn. If you want to learn English, just select English. You will see your options here for Bengali speakers, and if you are English speakers, then the languages are for you. And that's it. That's how you can set your Duolingo language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give like.